Everyone starts somewhere. For Stephen Price, it was as a captive insurance agent in 2003. He worked for a single company, limited to selling only their products, regardless of whether they truly fit his clients' needs. This structure taught him the basics, but it also felt restrictive, like a gilded cage. Price soon realized he couldn't give unbiased advice with such limited options. Imagine a doctor who can only prescribe one brand of medicine. Would you trust that care? Stephen saw his clients' unique dreams and needs, but was forced to use a one-size-fits-all approach. The conflict grew. To truly help people, he needed freedom to choose from the entire marketplace. After 6 years, he made a bold move, leaving the security of a big company to become an independent agent in 2009. It was a leap of faith, trading comfort for integrity and a client-first mindset. As an independent, he was no longer tied to quotas or limited products. His loyalty was to his clients alone. He could finally act as a true fiduciary, guiding people to the best solutions for their financial independence. This wasn't just a career change, it was the start of a new way of doing business. The foundation for his future legacy was set to serve clients, not corporations. Independence meant he could build a company defined by trust, not sales targets. That decision sparked a revolution in how he would serve others. In 2009, Stephen Price didn't just go independent, he founded the Price Group, built on a simple philosophy: relationships over transactions. Most firms chase sales and commissions. Price wanted to empower clients for the long haul. The core principle? Client education. Stephen believed financial literacy unlocks financial freedom. He set out to demystify retirement accounts, investments, and insurance, turning clients into confident decision-makers. Every meeting became a learning opportunity, with clear explanations and honest answers. This approach built trust. Clients weren't just customers, but partners in their own financial journey. The Price Group was structured for lifelong relationships, not one-time sales. Trust was earned through years of transparency and honest advice. Price wanted to be the advisor clients called for every major life event. This long-term vision shaped every plan and conversation. When you put education and well-being first, business success follows naturally. That's the philosophy that set the Price Group apart from day one. The Price Group didn't grow through flashy ads, it grew through word of mouth from empowered clients. When people feel understood and supported, they become your best advocates. Stephen and his team focused on education, workshops, seminars, and one-on-one coaching that made finance accessible. They broke down complex topics into simple, relatable terms, replacing anxiety with confidence. Clients were encouraged to ask tough questions and challenge assumptions. This partnership approach led to stronger, more resilient financial plans. Educated clients stick with their strategies, even during market turbulence. The firm's strategy was simple: always do the right thing, even if it meant less commission. This unwavering ethics became their calling card. In an industry short on trust, the Price Group became known for honest, straightforward advice. Their reputation for integrity attracted clients seeking a lifelong advisor. Trust and education became their most valuable assets. As the Price Group's reputation grew, so did its client base, and Stephen knew he couldn't do it all alone. He built a team of specialist experts in wealth management, retirement planning, insurance, and more. Each team member was chosen for both expertise and a commitment to education and integrity. Together, they offered clients a truly integrated financial experience. Clients no longer had to juggle multiple advisors. Everything was under one roof. The team collaborated on every case, ensuring every piece of the financial puzzle fit perfectly. This seamless approach prevented costly gaps and provided clients with a cohesive plan. With a strong team, Stephen could focus on vision and culture, mentoring advisors to uphold the firm's values. The Price Group became more than one person. It became a sustainable institution. Their client-first philosophy could now scale, ensuring the legacy would last. The team's collective wisdom meant clients always received the best possible advice. That's how the Price Group guaranteed its mission would endure. The Price Group's success isn't just measured in years or dollars. It's seen in the security and peace of mind delivered to clients. Today, Stephen oversees tens of millions in retirement accounts, representing the life savings and dreams of hundreds of families. Managing this responsibility requires care, not risky bets. The firm's growth came client by client, built on trust and steady principles. People entrust their futures to those they believe in. This trust is the firm's greatest achievement. The focus isn't just on growing assets, but on creating reliable income streams for retirement. The goal turns savings into a predictable paycheck that lasts a lifetime. This approach sets the Price Group apart, security over speculation. Stephen's role is to safeguard the company's mission as it grows. He leads by example, ensuring the firm's values remain unshaken. The millions managed are a symbol of trust earned through integrity and service. That's the legacy Stephen Price is building, one client at a time. Ask Stephen Price for his best advice and he'll start with a question. Do you have a written financial plan? A plan is your roadmap. It defines your goals and the steps to reach them. Without it, you're just drifting. The second pillar, disciplined investing. Don't chase returns. Manage risk and align your strategy with your life stage. A good portfolio helps you sleep at night, balancing growth and protection. Third, don't overlook insurance. It's not just an expense. It's a shield for your family and your assets. Life is unpredictable. Insurance keeps your plan on track, even if the worst happens. The fourth pillar, self-education. Stephen urges everyone to understand their finances, ask questions, and never sign what they don't understand. Your financial future is your responsibility. By becoming an informed participant, you become the CEO of your own wealth. These pillars, planning, disciplined investing, protection, and education, are the foundation of lasting financial success. That's the wisdom Stephen Price shares with every client. Stephen Price's journey is more than a business story. It's a lesson in integrity and service. By choosing independence and focusing on education, he built a firm that puts people before profits. The Price Group's success is measured by lives empowered, not products sold. Long-term relationships and trust are at the heart of everything they do. The firm is a sanctuary of transparency in a transactional industry. The lessons are clear: put people first, be an educator, and build on your core values. Stephen proved that doing good for clients is the surest path to lasting success. His impact is seen in every family that retires with confidence and every client who feels in control. He's a financial titan not for the millions he manages, but for the principles he champions. The Price Group is a model for how finance should be: clear, compassionate, and client-centered. Stephen's legacy is the positive, lasting impact he's made on countless lives.